Accidents are common in the workplace. This video was created for educational and safety awareness purposes. We'll show recreated or documented scenes as examples, explain how they happened, and how to prevent them in real life, so you can avoid them in workplace. Do not attempt to recreate any of this. These skydivers were preparing to jump, but the upper plane collided with the aircraft below, causing a mid-air accident, emphasizing air traffic coordination during group flights. Every crew must maintain strict vertical and lateral separation zones. Air safety is not just about equipment. It's about rigid adherence to procedure and communication protocols. This worker steps under the press machine to adjust a part, not realizing it's still active. Without a clear signal or lockout system, he can't see the danger coming. Every machine should have a visual or audible alert, because awareness starts with design. This worker tries to move a tall, heavy stack by pushing its base with her foot, causing it to suddenly tip and fall on her. The accident is due to an unstable, top-heavy load and incorrect moving technique. Always push heavy, unstable objects from their center of mass, not the bottom. Use proper handles and apply force horizontally to prevent tipping. A worker reaches into an active press machine during its cycle to retrieve material. This immediate intervention into an operating machine is a critical safety bypass. Never enter a machine's danger zone while operating. All maintenance or material retrieval must follow strict lockout-tagout procedures. This individual intentionally broke an elevator door with a scooter, causing a fatal fall into the shaft. The cause is extreme reckless vandalism against a safety barrier. Never tamper with critical infrastructure. Elevators are not toys. Respect all safety systems. The accident happens because his loose clothing gets caught by the active moving parts. This is a fatal reminder that machines must have guarding that prevents clothing or limbs from entering the danger zone. Proper fit, secured workwear, and machine guards are non-negotiable standards. This worker is felling a tree, but a misjudged cutting angle causes the tree to fall directly onto him. Always establish a clear escape route and control the cut direction with precision wedges and proper notches before felling any tree. Two workers carry a large metal frame and fail to maintain a safe distance from overhead power lines. The cause is a catastrophic lack of awareness of the mandated safety clearance for high voltage lines. Before transporting any tall or conductive material, always identify the location of power lines. Maintain a safety clearance of at least 10 feet, 3 meters at all times. The worker began an adjustment while the horizontal drill was still powered. Because the machine wasn't isolated, even a small loss of balance led to dangerous proximity with the moving parts. Rotating equipment must always be locked and tested for zero movement before any inspection. Platforms or fixed stands should be used instead of stepping directly on machinery. In rotating systems, energy isolation isn't a delay. It's the first step of safe work. The operator reached behind the press while the cycle was still active. This kind of risk occurs when the cycle status isn't visible. A physical barrier or interlocked guard would have prevented access during movement. Clear lighting, warning signals, and cycle indicators remind operators that the system is still running. Prevention begins with design. Equipment must make unsafe actions impossible, not just unlikely.